G'day YouTube, it's Rick Nusky here, and today I want to talk a little bit about a piece of software that we use in My Future Business to give our members a place to go and access resources that are hidden away from the general public and have a level of exclusivity away from distraction places like Facebook. I'm all for group and community, but with free open sort of Facebook groups, there's a lot of distraction going on, and if you're wanting to keep your audience on topic, I think one of the most powerful ways to do that is to have your own closed community where you can segregate your audience away from all of those distractions to be able to deliver the best services for them. And the way we found this particular solution that we're going to talk about today is through, in fact, a membership that I'm involved with. And it's just changed the way we look at our business, the way we are going to move forward. It gives us so much flexibility and control and ability to serve people who are inside of our community members area just so much more efficient. It's stable. It's proven, and I want to show you a bit more about it. So let me flick over to the other screen, and I'll show you. Alrighty, here we are. It's called XENFORO. It's XENFORO forum software, and when it says that is a compelling community experience, it truly is. Now, my experience with it has been nothing short of amazing with a number of different websites. It's a little more costly than other options. There are free forum software out there. They're WordPress based, and I don't really like any of them, to be honest with you. If you're going to be serious about your business and serious about providing an exceptional experience, I think it's important to invest in it. And at I think it was $150. We'll go through these screens in a minute, but at $150 for one-time purchase, and then $40 every year thereafter to get continual upgrades, even if you don't need them, but if you want to, I think that's very good value. So to find it, it's, even though it's spelled a little bit interestingly, it's XENFORO, and it's basically forum software. And the way it's configured in My Future Business is that we use Digital Access Pass as our membership script. Now, it takes a little bit of configuration to get new members coming in who make a purchase of the membership to be configured, but that's all sort of back-end stuff, and people that are coming through don't actually deal with any of that. This is just for you if you're interested in setting this up, and I'm more than happy to help you out if you want to go down this path and get it for your own business and start your own exclusive hidden membership solution for your audience. Now, we use, like I said, Digital Access Pass as our membership script. It, quote unquote, talks to XENFORO. So when somebody signs up, they're added to the membership script, and they're automatically sent their login details, and the process from the user's perspective is seamless. So really what this is about is about, giving you the best way to, create a business that becomes profitable for you, that provides value for your audience, and that you can be confident in terms of it staying stable. There's a lot of moving parts when you're online, your business is online. So let's talk a little bit about hosting. I'm with HostGator. I've not had any problems with HostGator. I've heard others who have. We have a business account, so that's more expensive, but I've never found the support to be poor. There's occasionally a little bit of time delay from the time you make contact with them to the time they have a solution, but oftentimes that's from a technical perspective, and that's where those sorts of problems will come from. So coming back to the license, should you go ahead and look to buy it, There are some interesting things that they do. They ask for $250 to remove branding. So, you know, that's at the bottom of the page here. It would have this here. You can have that removed from your version, which is nice, but I didn't necessarily think it was necessary, so we didn't bother with that. They can install it for you, as can we. But at the end of the day, if it's easier for them to do it for you, that's fine and dandy. So yeah, look, at $140, it's quite cost effective. Their help system, you should have no surprises recognizing that they use their own forum software to provide support. So it's an excellent interface. This is essentially what it looks like. You can change everything about it, you know, and if you look at what they've done with theirs, they've left it in the standard settings, and you know, they've got a whole host of different areas that they're answering questions in. This is amazing. It really just is so powerful, and you're able to upload media of many types, like images and video from YouTube. And if you have the right BB codes, things called BB codes, you can integrate other video player software. You know, so the opportunities to use this any way you like are quite boundless by your imagination, essentially. So this is something that I recommend that you have a look at in your business. So we use it. So we have a community area where people go and log in, and once they log in, they hit a very similar looking page. You can design it the way you like, and as we have here. You can see that, you know, for example, under the productivity tips, we have linked all of our YouTube videos back to each section. So when people are inside your membership and they want to keep focused on, well, you want them to keep focused on the topic that you're teaching or providing information on, doing it inside the forum is very much a captive audience, and it's a very powerful way to keep your message on point. So we have so many different options here. I mean, ours is very specific to small businesses and what we can do for your small business from the moment you want to take it online, you know, advertising it, doing some paid marketing, WordPress news, what other pieces of software is out there that you can use with it, and so on. So how you use it is entirely up to you, but I definitely recommend that you check out XENFORO. There are others, but after seeing some of the best in the online space using this software, it was a no-brainer for us, and hopefully you've taken some use out of this video, and I will talk with you again soon.